Math 1, final benchmark, number 44. A population of bacteria is decaying. The number of bacteria after H hours is given by the expression 350 times 1 minus 0.3 raised to the H power. Which statements are true? Select all that apply. So we need to select all that apply. That means that we could have more than one answer. All right, so let's look at this. Each hour, the population decreases by 3%. All right, so again, we're going to take this and we're going to do 0.3 and we're going to turn that into a percent. All right, so as a percent, that's the same as 0.30. So that's equal to 30%. All right, for 3%, it would be 0.03, not 0.3. So A is not correct. Each hour, the population increases by 3 bacteria. All right, so it says the number of bacteria after H hours is given by this expression. So we don't know that it's increasing by 3 bacteria. If it was increasing by the same number of bacteria, it would more than likely be linear, not exponential. All right, C, the hourly decay rate for the population is 0.3%. All right, the hourly decay is 0.3%. So 0.3 is not equal to 0.3%, okay, because decimals have to be moved 2 decimal places. So this one is not correct either. The hourly decay rate for the population is 30%. All right, so we already made that connection up here. So D is correct. The initial population of bacteria is 350. This number here is always the initial amount or your y-intercept, your starting point. So E is also correct. So for number 44, it says select all that apply, and you found that answers D and E are correct.